Every year, millions of people slowly start to lose their eyesight because of a condition called age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. It mostly affects older adults and damages the central part of the retina, the part that lets us see fine details. Sadly, there has been no real cure for the most common form, known as dry AMD. But now, scientists in Finland have discovered something amazing. They've developed a new laser treatment that could stop this vision loss before it even begins. Here's how it works. Instead of cutting or burning tissue, the laser gently warms the back of the eye by just a few degrees. This tiny rise in temperature doesn't hurt the cells. It actually activates their natural repair systems. The heat triggers special proteins inside the eye called heat shock proteins. These proteins help fix damaged cells and clean up harmful waste that builds up with age. It also turns on another process called autophagy, where cells remove old, faulty materials and make new ones. In simple words, the laser helps the eye heal itself. Tests in animals like mice and pigs show that this gentle heat made the retinal cells stronger and healthier. And now, the first human trials are set to begin in 2026. If successful, this could be a safe, painless, and repeatable treatment to protect millions of people from blindness.